bofetshele bakugunda inwele phela is what is receptors because makungathiwa there's something ezowenzeka, the hair is the first to pick. Uzukuthi ayikho into ezowenzeka bagunda i-chiscope. Yayizona lento le to cut you kufanele ukuthi bacima idatha yayizona lento le. That's why umuntu uhamba la right la mawuthi uyafika uzomvakashela athi mina nginongolozo omnyama. To prove
Jason no sense.
There was a glitch in the Matrix lab because after Jason and Senzo landed ngendaba yamagezi, all even abo ubani le ntombazana from Rhythm City le umntana kaCop naye seka lesbian abo ubani konje ubhuti ka King ku zone 14, sorry ngithi ubhuti usisi ka King ku zone 14 naye seka lesbian. Mawuthi uya ku what's this one? These people ask Abel is making it. Yabona mfethu siphila nedi ukuthi siphilela ukuthi ayikho lento. So which proves ukuthi nalabantwana abagcwele ema-universities vele ayikho lento abazoyibuyela ngoba abanye bagqoka ama-gown mfethu ema-robotini baphethe ama-placard please hire me. Umuntu omunye wakhona uthi makaphuma wathi hayi no man kumbe wathi ngiyoshintsha lento engayifundela yikho abuyela for the second time. Omunye abuyela for the third time phethe 2-3 degrees. Umsebenzi awukho kuphi in the Republic because you must be hired by who? By South Africa the company. And South Africa the company is getting it's your government because
Welcome to the dumbest show. Of course, I go by the name Christmas. He already know I'm doing the best show. Even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Ganda. Is one story at a time and one testimony at a time. I know he's late. Yeah, he's late. James is late now. Yeah,
it's late. It's always late. Must know my frequency.
Hey,
injani frequency yasebusuku?
Hey, cause ngiyakhuluma na last time.
Ayisishitshe ebusuku kuphela.
Ngifuna ukubuza ngefrequency yasebusuku ukuthi
Siqale ngihamba naye ebusuku.
Usothini silone imimoya usathane uyitshela ukuthi kumbe ngizothi hayi sizobonana ikusasa. Angiyindawo.
Angiphendule.
Yeah.
Ukuthi frequency yasebusuku.
Frequency yasebusuku. In what sense? Give me a
like the difference. Is there different frequency meaning yasebusuku?
Very much.
Yasebusuku njani?
Very much mfethu. Phela that's when ngigebengu zisebusuku.
So ebusuku ziyakhala.
Ebusuku that's when you lahlekelwa na unembeza.
Futhi lo kakhulu esebusuku ngoba igebengu.
Yes, it's very low. Negebengu ihamba ebusuku.
So should
angithi neyicover ihamba ebusuku.
Uma ngabe sikwazi
Usho must last you si high.
Thina si high. Sikwazi kumelana ne-frequency yasebusuku.
Yeah, ungasho kanjalo. Angithi that's also the reason why ikati it has the slit eyes during the day. But ebusuku ayadilate la mehlo to take more what? Yeah, you can say more light, but what is that light? It's darkness. Yes. So to take more, that's why nobuthakathi bathatha nangalikati.
It takes darkness.
No, angithi vele amehlo.
Angithi imihlo lekati.
Yeah, understand.
Leo. Makathi to take more darkness.
Yokuthatha.
Because angithi mayivuleka that means it's letting more light in.
During the day, you'll never find the domesticated cat with the eyes dilated. They are always what? Slits like amehlo enyoka to restrict. Yes, to restrict any.
Light.
Yes, what is light? It's that frequency. Pela light is what? Is white. It's white light. And we must remember, white does not exist. Or let me why light does not exist. It's just like when you explained the rainbow. Light does not. White is actually a confluence of all the 7 colors, ne? It's a confluence. Mautatu green, just like LEDs. Are you aware that LED is just 3 diodes? This one, this light, this white light. Yes, thank you. Red, green, blue. Yes, that's why this light I find ngaphandle. Why it's missing yellow, it's missing orange, it's missing what? Indigo. It's missing all those colors. That's why this white nalo ilanga kungafani. Because this one is just 3, the outside one is what?
7.
Yes. So now, if you're not taking in this consciousness, this frequency of the sun during the day, you are the same reason why to prove that the war we are fighting is about what? consciousness, frequency. They deprive you of what? Of frequency. Maweyapi ejele, but they are saying it's what? It's rehabilitation. Lo muntu ube uzidlani la ngaphandle. Mafika ejele akudliwa uswayi, uswayi adliwa. Bafika ejele bakugunda inwele. Inwele phela is what? Is receptors. Because makungathiwa there's something ezowenzeka. The hair is the first to peak. I can't ezowenzeka bakugunda ini chiscope. Yayizo lento le to cut you. Kufanele ukuthi bacima idatha, bacima idatha. Yayizo lento le. That's why umuntu uhamba la right la amount uyafika uzomvakashela athi mina ngunongolozo omnyama. I'm telling you. I'm telling you the truth. Kana ume manje. Ay. Bathi bahleka nongolozo.
Man, lento lokuthi ipetrol ayiso bayenza for practical ukuthi ipetrol emini iba ugwemu
Mawenzani?
ukuthi ipetrol emini iba ugwemu ebusuku iba right.
Yeah, when the temperature rises, the temperature.
Okay.
My band. Angithi petrol is that's why it's called what? Gas. They call it gas, although you can say they're shortening it. It's actually from gasoline. But nevertheless, it is close to the barrier at which it what. That's why mawungayibeka la nilanga likhona. So that's why there's the belief or the tendency to say mawufuna ukugcwalisa imoto hamba ekseni lama pampas abanda, so when you know ukuthi the petrol is cold beneath underneath the ground. So because you are getting less during the day. It's not that much, but nevertheless, uyayikhalela uyayifuna. Ngithi ngithola. Yes.
Abantu abasejele
Bazwenzani?
bazokwata manje.
No, noma bangakwata bona. Kwata lento ebaphethe. Bakuncisha ngisho ilanga mfowethu. Yabona ejele, uma ngabe it was about rehabilitating the people, they were supposed to put a day kube nesikhathi sokuphumula ngaphandle, people get the sun.
But ngathi isikona isikhathi yoke.
Ngolosingakhi. Hayi. A day umuntu bekumele athola ilanga mfowethu. Umuntu lokhu uhlele endlini, you are depriving. Kusho ukuthi lo muntu kufanele ukuthi uphile ebusuku. Ngoba every day and every hour kufanele ukuthi kusebusuku. You get what I'm saying?
Vampire.
Yes, that's why umuntu beka right ngapha sekafika ngale sekavuko yini ubutabani. You get what I'm saying? Because the war we are fighting is not carnal. It's not carnal. It's just unfortunate that there's a ceiling of thinking, of frequency of thinking, of which people this cannot permeate over. Like abakhona ukudlula of this thinking, which is something they created. The day you realize what this thing is about, what? It's all about cognitive. That's why this era we're living in is called what? Cognitive what? Wild West. Wild West, let's America party, what? Cognitively. Isn't the politicians? Some of it are stunts so that you think, hey, you do not arise from to the point of no man, ngiyaphuma kulento le. Angiphume kulento, into ezoqeda lento le, angenze lento ukuze iphele because it's useless ukusebenza, ubusy every day. Hey, mangenza ukuthi khipha lokhula lolo lidala lenkinga. You can't build on something ebolile. Lungisa the first thing so that you build for good. That's what you are doing. Not njalo every day uyostradini imosha icathulo nje mahala ngoba at the end of the day anikalungisi lento eyiyo, the real problem. Sengibuya ngathi sengifikile le ndaba ngiyeke le ka my sister lo
Hayiva
ngiyeke okwamanje kodwa ngoba ngila for 5 months ngiyabuya. Ya bafethu ngiyanibingelele emakhaya singena ngebhank njalo. Yeah, singena ngebhank njalo. All right, this is episode number 7, ne? Number 7 lona abantu, the other one is going to drop anytime. Stay tuned, ne? La khona because I promised ukuthi I will clarify ukuthi why ngithi awuna country without regarding the flag and the coat of arms. It's going to drop anytime soon. And ngiphinde ngisho ukuthi ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu ku Chris Network bafethu lo msebenzi enwenzayo lento ngifuna ukuyisho even on camera mkhulu kakhulu mkhulu kakhulu yazi when usuhamba la ngaphandle uyabona ukuthi yes sis. Sorry konje akudlalwa ngegama laNkulunkulu ayikho lento le ayikho lama podcast maningi mahala ayikho nje into ephila abayikhulumayo kuze bonke bafuna ukwenza ngathi they are exposing so that every day uzohlala ukuthi yeah and then what
Sikushaka expose yempela.
Sikushaka expose yempela and give you direction.
Siya expose akaze ukuthi sithembeni.
Uthi nje
ayikhona detention yempela.
Detenjiwe.
Sithembeni.
Stembu Christ. No, but it's not just the wabona umuntu azokutshela something naye emthusile. Because the whole point ukuthi nawe ufuna uthuka umlekelele kulokuthuka kwakhe sithukile yeah sithukile and then what at the end of the day angifuni mina umuntu who because enye into futhi engifundile life in there are very few builders amanye they are squatters ba some people vele badala ukuthi kufuna sibalekelele so that they can think because ukucabanga lokho abakhona ukunderstand ukuthi what's going on they think they deserve okay who's gonna build lento uyicanga ukuthi I deserve Yangithola alright okay bengisasho afethu ama podcast maningi mahala abanye mawuthi yagogoda hayi bavela ukutshela bathi ay this ayihlangene nathi ke le kodwa angeke ngibasole angivele bakhule bahleli nomama abendlini bahleli nawo mama endlini it's 8 yasibhekeni generation yasibhekeni generation yene phila ayake yakhulunywa ugeneration yasiza
ngozombuka ngiJack Mabaso
Sikhule sifuna ukusebenza New Horizon.
Nah, I think nakhona sometimes do you think everything we consume should be something esizayo or sometimes you just want to be bukela nje into elula yabo into nje
that's the trap
relax.
that's the trap
so should yonke into nje siconsume
nothing is neutral Brian
But I get where Unjabulo is coming from because the setup generation ntwana like it was phela you must understand ukuthi back then mazithi 5 ntambama bezikhaya and amasuphandlala every day mina la gogomba ukuthi days zithi they bold zithi yabo uzokuyoshawa generation ebusuku and without fake so leyo yokubuka into elula easy yes kuyafuneka sometimes ngaleso sikhathi ndola into iconsume every day
anokuthi phela i-generation idlale for 15 years le ndala imingcwabo yawo 3
imshado
umshado cishe waba 2
upho survive manje ke nawe ushadanga namhlanje ba programmer
enathi phela bonke asebedivorce abantu abake hey ndoda
I think futhi nele them gay
I'm a gay society.
You can say ukuthi they are the first.
And it was a shock, yeah.
When was it? Was it 2011? Was it? When was it? Somewhere lapho.
But 2012 lapho.
Yeah. To prove
Jason Innocent.
There was a glitch. There was a glitch in the Matrix lapho. Because after Jason and Senzo landed ngendaba yamagazi all even abo ubani lentomazana from Rhythm City le umntana kaKop naye seka lesbian abo ubani konje ubhuti ka King ku zone 14 sorry ngithi ubhuti usisi ka King ku zone 14 naye seka lesbian mawuthi uya ku which this was this one that's because 2.5 petabytes baba You get what I'm saying? Nothing is neutral, baba.
Considerable lo ayijimi ingane yami.
Usengikhuluma ngathi nokuzobantu bathi sijava beka actor lapha
yes usijava afuna ubani ingane yakwaThusi le uphele ahlanya over ngophele yes so these things are never neutral they are using it ngale nkathi wena you are what you are not paying attention that's when they are sliding things subconsciously because remember frequency is that one agent or is that one a tool of which we can slide in what into your consciousness because it doesn't need the permission of what of the conscious of the of the conscience I mean ayidingi ukuthi itshele unembeza. That's why they are paying so much money to these artists. Umuntu adlale net ngedeki kayi-1. But yo, 50 million. Yeah, yes. You get what I'm saying? That's why they are paying this much money, because this music is frequency, blasting it into Ganda man. That's a Ganda. But as babukele emakhaya lethi ngihlale ngisho ukuthi yabona uGanda kube ngifunda nayo isikolo. Engabe bahlalela ukusixosha serious. Lo muntu lona man, hey lapha ebackseat hey nina seniqalile. Hey yazi uGanda. Yeah, yes. So these are the things they do. Frequency comes as sound, comes as microwaves, as it could be ultraviolet, comes as light. That's frequency.
Dangerous. Let's shoot lapha emasontweni okushaya yazi piano mfana.
Okay, piano is something else.
Khona lama sound lawa abakhona man when they
ama strings.
Iyo
lento leyo ngifuna ufundise mina amashumela kudlala ama strings. Hoyi, ushumela kudlala ama strings uyangiprogramma mos. Ufana nama wabona nje ama motivational speakers kudlala that sound background. You gonna do it. You are greater than that. Hayi. Angifuni motivation yani.
Already motivated isawo.
But at least lemo yazi semaklapini light walking to a nightclub ziwa ushawa isound ushawa nama light lawo phandla nayo uthi ubheba kushanga smoke
angithi uthini ngelinye ilanga stoke athi the nightlife can make you risk your nice life for a nice time.
What is that?
Stoke. Yeah. Manje kunjalo, okay, asikho lapha. So now bazalwane bantwana basekhaya ngoba thina asikhulumi nje ukuthi expose into engakathi issue siyapi. Yabona namhlanje sikhona we are in this for 5 months. Khona umunye kuma comments uthi we are in this for more than 2 days. Everyone knows, James knows, Ganda knows we're doing the best show. Usho njalo kuma comments ngasho okay. Mina I'm in for 5 months. Ngilayiso wethu bafethu ngivalile yonke lento nalabo balemakhaya abangifunayo imoto ifile and stuff anime kancane bafethu sizobuya neimoto eziright. Hey sengikhathele nami kulungisa ikorokoro. Kunini? Ngi-good for ikorokoro iphi imishado kanti nami sengike ngifinish ithi ngiyayazi lento ngengasebenza nayo kuphi. Hayi sikhuluma into eziphilayo. So now here's the thing. I'm launching operation called Operation Exodus. How are we living this system? Operation Exodus. Mawula sotra nje ukubona ivene ebhalwe Exodus. Hayi uyazi ukuthi yimba fethu. I need your support in each and every way you can think of. Makhona if there's somebody omaziyo or maybe ufika eshisanyama wathenga ukudla noma ungashiya 5 rand ngila ngizofika ngidle khona bafethu. Mangabe kwenzakaleni mangifika khakini ngikokoda ngithi ngicela ukwasha sengingcole kakhulu ngizameni bafethu because I'm here, we are in this for the good. What are we in then? We are in this system whereby we are at the position whereby sesiyaphuma manje. Why sithi siyaphuma? Ngikwenzele example. Uma ngabe ngikwenzele example ngani kaMahadi ngelobolo. Masithi sizolobola la ekhaya, siyalobola thina bakwasikhosana bakwamkhize thina ozibani, uyayibona? Kuthi we are here under the guys ukuthi sizolobola ini a virgin. We are under the guys ukuthi sizolobola ini a non-virgin. We are under the guys ukuthi sizolobola ini umuntu onomntwana oyi1. We are under the guys ukuthi ukuthi sizolobola umuntu onabantwana abawu2. You get what I'm saying? If then kuhlangana nabo malume bayakhuluma, ne? Makukhulunywa kuyavunyelwana inkomo zingaka. Yabona? So now, uma ngabe abantwana bethu sesibashadisile, ne? Kumele baphume umuzi wabo or nje sebandawonye. Kutholakala ukuthi no man. Lo muntu wathi akanamntwana, but unani? Unomntwana. Noma kuthiwa ukuthi umntwana unomntwana oyi1, but unabantwana abangaki? Abawu2. Le nto leyo isho ukuthini? Siqanjelwe amanga. Okusho ukuthi abomalume banelungelo lokubuyela kuphi? To the negotiation table to say lalelani la. Umntwana ethu sitshela ukuthi kukanje. Yayizwa lento leyo. So now, what are we gonna do? Thina sicela inkomo ezingaka. Zibuye kuphi? Back to us. Oh, umntwana ethu uthini? Since umntwana enangakamoni, like they still do not have a child. That's a ground for what? For what? For separation. Ukuthi no, angenzeni angikuthembi ngoba ungiqambele amanga. Yayizwa lento leyo. That's perfect ground for what? For separation. Ifana nanoma umuntu bashadile umuntu owenzeni fornicated, ufebile, you have the right to leave that marriage when a wife just for for the sake of your safety. Angithi? So now, siphuma kanjani le system? Siphuma kule system because the situation engiqeda ukuyichaza, ngiqeda ukuyisebenzisa. Injani? If i-apply kithi thina because senzani sakudukiswa sakhohliswa nini 1992 3 and 4 Truth and Reconciliation CODESA and ini democracy saqanjelwa amanga. So now that gives us what the leverage to say, whoa, hold it, yimani sisacabanga ukuthi are we leaving the system or nina you compensate us thina esenzeni esidukisiwe because sangena kule system under what the illusion or the perception okuthini it's what is truth and reconciliation kanti it's actually lies and deception ngoba siyaqanjelwa amanga. Yimaphi ke lamanga saqanjelwa wona? Nawa lamanga amanga okuqala kwathiwani uMandela is what is our president, ne president of what the Republic of South Africa. Kanti iqiniso lelo. But what they did not tell you, mawuzokhumbula episode yami when I said South Africa is a company. Mandela, Thabo Mbeki, Jacob Zuma, Ramaphosa, mawuthanda ngamfaka umngane wakho uHalima ne, it's fine but okay asikho lapho. Ne nayi lento. Are presidents of what? Of the Republic of South Africa. Yayizwa lento leyo. They are presidents of the Republic of South Africa. So lezi zinto ziwu-2. There's South Africa. There's the Republic of South Africa. These people are fine being presidents of the Republic of South Africa. There's nothing wrong there. But the problem is there's South Africa. There's still South Africa. That's why right now, Mauzotia the number one economy is back on top in South Africa. Then why are the people on the ground not feeling the effect of what of the superior economy in the continent? Ne? It's simply because the economy, it is the economy of South Africa, not economy of the Republic of South Africa. So in other words, this explains ukuthini. Ungizwe kahle. I'm also explaining ukuthi even the tender people, they themselves were scammed. Ngani? Because nayi lento. You have ini Chris uzohamba yephi has been given a tender to build a 10-kilometer tar road ne. Le tender leli kubhidiwe kwenziwa yonke into, you've presented your whatever, all the tendering things, you know what I'm saying. So now into ezowenzeka, you are awarded this tender. When you are awarded this tender neganda, you are given by the municipality ne. As they're given this money by the municipality, you go and get sometimes they give tenders to people who do not have tools. Angithi? Then they're gonna go and buy tools. Angithi? Nayi lento. You are given a tender. Asibale nje ama tools ungawadinga. Asithi ke now because you also you talking about the BEE. You also because you must be BEE. It's not just you. You have James, you also have Uganda. Ne? Wena, you are the one with the tender. James will provide us what? With maybe let's say a water tanker, ne? Uganda will provide us with what? Let's say a motor grader, ne? And then the laborers, it's fine. Nayi lento. The tender was what? A 10 million rand tender, ne? The money, what? The municipality paid the money to what? To your bank account, ne? Yes. When they pay the money to your bank account, you register with the money is in. You need all the tools you need. You're gonna pay whomever you're gonna pay. But now here's the trap. The trap is the money was never given to you in the first place. In the enzekile la, the money left what? The account of what? Of the Republic. You get what I'm saying, Kanda? And went to your bank account. Your bank is registered, Gupi. In the company is Absa what? South Africa. Not in the Republic of South Africa. You went on to buy what? A water tanker. Ne? Wamba uyithenga kuphi? Ku Nissan Diesel South Africa or Hino South Africa. Ne? Makathenga le truck under Hino South Africa. The money left in his bank account, what is FNB, to the bank account of what Hino South Africa, not Hino of the Republic of South Africa. In other words, the Republic yini ugobhozi into engana lutho ifana nengane yesikole iyakheriswa iyanikezwa imali ukuthi siyakunika ayinamali. That's why they were so determined, and they were on a mission to destroy what? All the banks of which like the VPS and your Itala. Because these banks come from where? They come from the Bantu stands. They are not under what? South Africa. So when Mandela unified the country, these banks belonged to Gupi in the Republic of South Africa. That's also the reason why they destroyed the post office, because post office said what? The post bank. So that the money, all the money is mopped up to what? To the Republic. From the Republic to what? To the company South Africa. So it means no matter economy ngaba 6 trillion, there's nothing on the ground because the money is moving in the company, not the Republic. That's also the reason why they kept on attacking the likes of Mama Winnie and whoever, because these people were what? They were against what? The negotiations and the constitution. When, in other words, if 1994 was freedom and was proper democracy, why then did you inherit the debt of the previous government, which is apartheid, of which they used that debt to finance their ambitions of what? Oppressing you. Why? So this thing proves that it was all a scam and a lie. And to prove that this war has always been a war of consciousness, that you must check whom they were so quick to take out. Mama Winnie, Chris Hani, but the one they made sure with Lona doesn't rise or gain traction to much like Apelele nje khona la, but because he was so on the money, was who? Steve Biko, the Black Consciousness Movement leader. When Craig Williamson provided the intelligence and the information, ukuthi Bantu Steve Biko is planning a trip to where? To London. To meet with who? No, London. Or I think it's still Zambia. To meet up with who? O.R. Tambo. Ne? They were like, hey, O.R. Tambo will wake up. He'll be what? Conscious. Because he thinks the war is what? Is carnal. We need to what? To militarize. Because we created a vacuum of which he thinks is a safe space for Yena, which is what? Zambia. That's why Zambia declared independence. It did not militarize. It just liberated because he's smart. Oh, okay. So now, this thing, what happens is they wanted to make sure there's no one within consciousness to wake up to the system with no man. Actually, this thing is existing. Hey, in a very small room. It's actually way too much bigger than what it makes itself to like. So the way we perceive it, it makes itself look bigger than what it is. Apartheid was a war of consciousness, so that the people think it's what? It's physical, so that we can keep on mining. So then what I'm saying of the republic, the separation of the republic and the company South Africa, PSAC company South Africa, is what further explains why Joburg is crumbling. Joburg is crumbling because Joburg did not exist. Johannesburg did not exist before the discovery of gold. So it's crumbling because we are no longer funding it. We are no longer funding it. Tina, who? The company. Because we decide whom we're going to give money. But the money never lives in the company. You get what I'm saying?
No, I'm with you.
So now, Joburg is crumbling because we are no longer funding it. Why are we not funding it? Because the gold of Joburg is what? Is expensive to mine. We are now what? 3 kilometers down. 3 kilometers down. It's better to smuggle the gold from Zimbabwe than to mine this gold. It is better. That's why abo WHO, abo Marie and Roberts, these companies who built these stadiums for 2010, they are building plants and mines, Gupi, as Zimbabwe. So Zimbabwe will never stabilize. So Mozambique will never stabilize. Why? Because it is beneficial to who? South Africa, the Chihuahua, the Volkswagen of who? Of the West. Because the people who took over and the people who stood up to what? To make sure that Zimbabwe does not, Zimbabwe feels the sanctions, the pain of the sanctions of the what? Of the Western world. Was what? The Chihuahua of the West, Ibrakilabo Leli, Ubani, South Africa, the company. That's why I'm saying we have the common enemy with these people who keep on flooding up. Because South Africa is the one who killed Ubani, Moses Samora Machel. Because Moses Samora Machel militarized and conquered the Portuguese and they fled. So now he was going to be what? Backbone to what? To the ANC. That's why these countries, especially Zambia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, what? Negotiated. They negotiated their liberation. So then it raises the question, are you really free if you are negotiating with your oppressor? Then it means you are saying, okay, my oppressor, I understand your pain, you have something against me. And then you also say, yeah, now I understand, now you have something against me. And then you find a common ground. Not what? A solution. That's why your flag is what? Is an interim, a temporary thing. It's not. It has outlasted. It's what? It's been there, waved for way too long. It was supposed to be a temporary thing. It's a transition. So now that's why the people on the ground do not feel the economy, because they also make sure the little cash that is flowing in the townships is taken away by what? By these Somalians, the stores, these shops, because these people, some of them, they are what? They are bandits. So umuntu othi ngcono ngiyobhanta intela kuphi esiphaza shop than ejele. Ingakho ke bahlala laphana. But then again le ukuthi wena so uhamba ngemoto ye-700,000 car. Who financed you? Ngokuthi unamasiphaza shop nje ayi2. Hey, raises the alarms ukuthi hayi kahle baba. We grew up in business, we know business. Lento lena it's just a way of what? Mopping all the cash so that you do not what? Liberate yourselves financially. That's why these celebrities will never say anything serious. Even these podcasters Upenwell, not so long ago interviewed who's this? Umfana kamaponya lo. Yes, that yeah. Ati. So let's talk about money. How do people learn money? Because our people are not financially literate. Ati, hey man, I think that one my dad helped me, because whenever I said I wanted money, he will show me something that we are not using in the house to say, go and sell this at the scrapyard. So that changed my mind, how I think. Yeah, I hear you. But then again, Mbuzuti, do the people la election have something to sell? Huh? Yeah, born. And then what in? Upenwell what? Yeah. You remind me of DJ Sbu, which is something I like about him. He said there was a lady, I think she needed tuition fees, money for tuition fees. And DJ Sbu said, I'm not gonna... DJ Sbu said, you must teach you the hustle. Now, people want money, free cash money, it won't work. You must learn to hustle every day, stand on the robot. I'll give you this first pack, this first 6-pack to sell, then the rest you'll have to buy, because this is the best. You're going to sell this, nothing else, because that is the best, right? Because when you open it, yeah, you get what I'm saying? So this is the best. Huh? I must learn to hustle, ngidayisa imofire. Ugohle wena ngidayisa diabetes. Ngozongihlolela wena. Kufuneka imali la. These people they are what we call wathini? Yabo makuthiwa bakushangela lullaby. Bakushangela lullaby. So what I'm saying actually,
sibiza ukuthi lala gusha ndichela.
Yes, lala ngikugunde. Yes, yeah. Injalo. That's what these people are doing. That's why I'm like, do not listen to these people. When you are not a failure. You are not a failure. This system was rigged to begin with. Because mawuzo ngitshela ukuthi mina I'm a failure. Mina. Yabona mina ganda angisho ukuthini. Mina I grew up a business in. Not itender mfowethu. There will be months ekhaya la khona probably kube 2 months. Sometimes if things are bad, uthola ukuthi boma 3 months, asiye town. Athi baba anginamali. Ayikho imali. Uyabona ukuthi imali ayikho imali. Ama order awenze njani? Awekho of what of itimber. We're processing about 3,000 to 4,000 tons of timber per month. It's a real sweatshop, baba. I'm talking le timber ngikhuluma ngayo is processed by the hands of around between 100 and 130 laborers. Yayizwa lento leyo. So you get paid of what you've done, not a tender. And I've seen what friends ubaba bekanawo who got tenders. Same time umuntu wakhona when you think he's popping, same time next year. Hey, emfaka amabanga. Hey, awuvule lapho man uthi babakho kunesigubhu sedizile ngizosithola ngithela vele ngifuna ukujika la ePetretief. Hawu. Ama garage angaka. Akasakhona ukuthela udizile. No, why? Simply because vele lento was a scam. For you to have a mansion Ganda, a mansion organically, you need about 100 hectares, my brother. Yes, about 100 hectares. That's what you need, so that you have an orchard. Your cattle can graze lapana. You are tilling the ground ngapha. There's a bit of forestry lapana. You are selling timber. You get what I'm saying? For it to be organic, vele mawuzonginika 6 million manje. Iyafana nje nokuthi awunginikanga nix ngoba 1 anginalutho, 2 nale mali azange ifike kimi. Imali kayafika kimi le ngihambe ngayi-withdraw ku-ATM. The rest never left what? South Africa. It never left South Africa to come to the Republic. So you are not a failure. This thing was designed. That's why ngithi mina bafethu yekelani copper nensimbi asikaliseni constitution because nenzeni naqanjelwa amanga. You were under the belief yokuthi you are what? You are part of a republic, but it's actually a republic and what? And a company. That's why people are starving in faith. And to prove what the government has no power, they are just puppets. I come from a vet bank, ne? So Eskom produces about 90,000 tons of ash. Yayizwa lento le a day. Umlotha. To the point ukuthi eWitbank they ended up building in a TB hospital. Because the ash, umoya mawufika, the ash is flying all over the place. You get what I'm saying? But then again, and Eskom is running out of space to store this thing. If we had a government, the government was supposed to what? Was supposed to finance the buying of ash for these cement making companies. Which in turn means what? Cheaper prices to build RDPs, but manje kunabantu still 2002 balinda RDP. Because it means the price of RDP would have been 15,000 rand. The government has the capability to do that, but because they do not have the control that they want you to think, they what? It stays there, umlotha lo. And to make matters worse, thina Ganda, the Republic of South Africa, we only consume 8% of the electricity produced by Eskom. There's no need for you to have load shedding endlini yakho. 1. To make matters worse, I can go even deeper. Go deeper, Papa. You are not even supposed to pay electricity because there's these industries, your Mercedes South Africa, BMW South Africa, the smelters, your Toyota, your whoever, whom are the ones consuming this electricity and in turn only giving you what? Industrial waste. You only have industrial waste when the plastics, they are as the trash and the metals and the ash produced by Eskom. When they can what? They can give you electricity for free. Because the electricity is yours. Yeah, it's yours. You were not supposed to pay electricity because mangathi ubhali exam manje wena. Uthole 8%. Kusho ukuthini lo? Noma ngabe uhlala ekhaya wangenza. 8. 8. 6, 7, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then why are they load shedding you? Why are they load shedding you? 8%. Huh? It's a lie. It's a scam. Amanga lento. So in other words, when you njengoba ngibekuse ngendaba yomalume laba. bomndeni bomshado, you're at a position whereby you cannot negotiate, decide ukuthi you guys owe us this much since nini 1993. You've extracted this much or this wealth la eSouth Africa. Or you can say siyadivorce thina. Bona uze ngayo sizozibona thina. Hamba. If you decide lokho, then it means you're also at a position ukuthi this month end. Namhlanje zingakho 1 was what the last month end whereby when you're paying for imoto. The last month end when you're paying for indlu, ibond. Because what? You are now the landowner. That's what it means. You get what I'm saying? South Africa makes about 600,000 cars a day. Kodwa kunemizi engana 1400 engana uno angithi individual ubaba waloyo muzi loyo. So but then again, because money is fake, I will highly suggest ukuthi thatha umhlaba.
600,000 cars a day.
A year.
Oh,
No, a year. 600,000 a year. Mercedes South Africa is the one what making cars for who? The European market. They are made here, then they are shipped, then they tell you about economy. But it's fine, it's true, economy. But you fail to ask whose economy? Of what? South Africa is the economy of South Africa, not the economy of the Republic. That's why they also balance puppets afana noSikhakhane ubazositshela ukuthi now project Azania. Hey, Sikhakhane hlala phansi baba, the jig is up. Your handlers bafela ukukutshela ukuthi these people are too woke manje. How deal nabantu osimbonanga uMandela thina. Asingeni futhi indaba yakhe. Asinamsebenzi. Ukuthi sizozwe ufuna siyibuze lento. uMandela siyamthanda, uMandela wasenzela iqiniso, noMandela siyamdabukela ukuthi waboshwe. Kumele sicacise lokho ukuthi which is which, because yini ayenza. Uthanda la mashethu akho ukuthi ayidla indwangu leya. Oh, ngohleni madoda, wake up man, the jig is up.
I think siyamdabukela.
Siyamdabukela being told by Nelson, the man who built this country. Abo Nhlanhla abo Penwell, when they tried to they were not on the money. They were trying. They were not exactly on the money as to what's going on. Came ubani ubababo lo Ropezov. So it's a challenge to you guys, because I've seen good you actually watch these episodes. I've seen your handlers know what's going on. It's a challenge. Bafethu sibadala thina. Noma bekuthiwa kwenzakalani, yezinto sesizizwe kakhulu. Angeke sasithusa. Noma bekuthiwa one blackmailer, one nika imali, one lala, angeke sasithusa lokho. Be man, come out and kusho ukuthi so that you are fuel to this thing, because nevertheless ayipheli. Njengoba ngisho, this is project what? This is Operation Exodus. I'm here for 5 months, Baba. Definitely you won't make it past 4. 4 is the number what? It represents what? Change. You won't make it past 4 months. The 5th one is just me good. I know the remuneration and the strategies you are using. So you guys, you be the right Ketan Manj. Which side you gonna be on? Just like you remember that Rick Ross Batman beef this record by Kalumfundis. But into yakudala man. Lento ngikhuluma into yakudala man. Into yakudala le. But I've stopped by to tell you that you gotta make up your mind. Are you gonna trust in God? Or are you gonna trust in cash money? You gotta make up your mind. Are you gonna trust in that gold chain? Or are you gonna trust in gold? But brothers and sisters, I'm here to warn you. You cannot go to war against God. That's what I'm saying. The jig is up. Everyone is waking up. The mastandi, the real mastandi is here. So choose a side, guys. Nyeke lokhu business gaslight abantu. Yeah, you are the one delaying your future. Why ungaqali lelo business? Hey baba, anginangisho imali yokugunda. Live le business ongitshela ngalo. The system is rigged, baba. Don't feel bad. You are not a failure. The system is rigged. We're at a position whereby the government is supposed to what? The handlers are supposed to what? It's either they flee. All time is still open. Let them get their bags and baham if they think we cannot sit together as human beings and figure this out and give us what? Our land. In fact, we are not saying give us our land. We're gonna take the land. No trigger will be pulled, no nothing. Not even a small stupid march will help you this time. The jig is up. The jig is up. Ichampile bafethu. Yabo makuthiwa ichampile. This is the time. You've been lied to. These people owe you a lot of money. Abanayo. The money is in the trillions, Ganda. If you can think from 1994 and South Africa's economy is in the probably. I remember during the negotiations, actually during the debate of Mandela and de Klerk, there was a time when Nelson Mandela mentioned with the economy of South Africa, the budget is what was 120 billion the previous year. So South Africa is not a poor country. But now we are poor because they've been stealing from us. So we're at the position whereby we can just what? We are taking our land. Why? We have the working papers. Truth and reconciliation was what? Was a scam. It was lies and deception. Meaning also the constitution is what? Is kaput. You have nothing, and when you do not owe them nothing, but they are stealing from you, but you bhatala isikoloto. Siphe isikoloto ngoba kumanje mfethu abantu abanayicathulo, abanazindlu, akunagesi, abaneyimoto mfethu zilayidile. Mawuthi uyahamba, yabona mfethu thina sikhule mfethu makuthiwa Soweto. Mfethu sishithi Soweto. Because of all the stories, what is it, comedy or it's your drama coming from Soweto, we saw good the people were free, were liberated. Masasifika manje Soweto sithi hoy khona. Most abantu bayafana nathi emakhaya laba. Kusana masophathi eSoweto. Isophathi ikhumbi lena nakhona uyambona ukuthi umdala is barely making it. Mangeza ngapha ekseni mfethu bekakhipha iwheelbarrow ngomunye la ngaphambili. Lo muntu is pushing 70 years loyo. Isophathi mfethu irathe nje. Nesivalo sakhona sivale ngazathi uyazivula ngathi uyasicindezela ngathi uyasiyeka. Hayi come on guys, hayi ngeke. No ngeke, hayi ngeke ayikho le.
Ayikho iWitbank.
eWitbank
Izola part.
Hayi eWitbank mawuzola part awekho. Awekho. eWitbank hayi awekho, mayikhona mhlamba awu2 awekho. Awekho.
Asaphela.
Awekho.
Khona into engikawala ukuthi la why kuforced.
Nalapha
There's no economy.
Abakhonza kuphela.
Ecabanga mina emakhaya but inangizana
Awekho.
Hayi la ndoda.
Alezala ziyalwela.
Lafika gibele izola part ndoda.
Ibhlungu lento.
Futhi ubona umgwaqo maloku ihamba. Futhi unombobe kangakanani.
Lezo from
Umbobe kangakanani ngaphakathi ndoda.
Ukuthi inyathi yamanje la ukuthi isheshe ikhasa. Kule pre ke taxi esike pre Auckland Park. Nakho nayo beyivela bobona iskonti.
Gibele ibhayisikili.
Umama bekahleli ngasemnyaka. Bayikhupha amandla lebridge umbrella wena. Yona umbrella amancane wafaka ephakeni.
Buka ke yizwa.
Sekamisa driver ngeke.
Futhi
nanokuthi uma istopha la ingalahla ipower.
Uyayibona lento le. So manje these people mfethu are barely making it. Yabona mfethu siphila nedi ukuthi siphilela ukuthi ayikho lento. So which proves ukuthi nalabantwana abagcwele ema-universities vele ayikho lento abazoyibuyela ngoba abanye bagqoka amagawuni mfethu emarobotini baphethe ama-placard ngihiring please hire me. Umuntu omunye wakhona uthi makaphuma wathi hayi no man kumba uthi ngiyoshintsha lento engayifundela yikho abuyela for the second time. Omunye abuyela for the third time phethe 2-3 degrees. Umsebenzi awukho kuphi in the Republic because you must be hired by who? By South Africa the company. And South Africa the company is going to it's your government because who owns the media?
Aziyeke leyo izolo enye cousin nambhathe akwenye family ine degree maybe sina 9 years engasebenzi. Kade community suicide ogogo bebekho. Awubona khona ukuthi yazi ngosikhuluma lento le yaspark ukuthi yazi life inkunzima. Lo mshita inangiza ngicanga ukuthi umshita ichair ibi ifundile dog ayinangane namanje. Mhlawumbe ngishiya nga 3 years. Ukedeze vet wow une degree ngaziyani kodwa. Ndoda look afuna umsebenzi anganomhlawumbe ethola amathemba ayeke but ugcine sekubheda mhlawumbe for 5 years sengasawuthola. So last week ngathi wazama ukucommit suicide. So manje ngoba ngikhuluma manje use-ICU.
Convince a kid of high school ukuthi after la
university
hambe tertiary
because
yabona enye into dog engifeel ukuthi yazi into engile khulunywa ngayo engakhulunywa lento yasevasithi dog. Do you know wabona lento sayibona eDurban dog? Yabantwana abathengisayo like
Mfethu.
Say no man.
Mfethu. That's the same
But
thing.
this
Go
is
students.
with
Bayathengiswa.
banking. Yes.
enye into ebengisho ukuthi yabona ikhazini nami ibhale inothi but izinto edingisho ukuthi yabo la manothi uma ingashona ifunde ku-sue government because the note is all about umsebenzi akanayo trouble uma ufunda le note le is like all about I'm not getting a job and I'm like ngiba frustrated but it's all about maybe phinde indaba umsebenzi 5 times kule ncwadi yakhe.
Isirende varsity just like kumele number one awunamali yokuyiva city kumele uqala apply labo NSFAS ufuna ama loan mase ungenile you ageleza
Phela ngenoodles baba.
mase sekumele yaba uyafona NSFAS iya send ama email NSFAS funa imali yakhe
La ngikhokhela siswami.
Angithi
ekhokha angibashaya ngebhomb ngingenje
mina vele ngizinye izinto mina ngizobona ningitshela mase ku 6 million ngikhokha next
me
me.
TV license hayi ngenje into laba NSFAS TV license awazozibona
Yeah, my brother.
I was dead.
Even nama bank mina ke
Shine over.
Okay, nayi ke lento. So lento we at the point ke bafethu ukuthi if you get this message, yabona if you do not get this message, ngikeni 6 months ngizobe ngibillionaire mina. Thiwa yilo umuntu ibillionaire lo. Why? Simply because I'll be what? A defector. Ngizohamba ngalese nthini bangenze njalo bese banibuya lana on the media ngithini mina ngithi bathini I'm the biggest this guy is so smart he's so njani. Why? Simply because the message what I've just delivered now is exactly what these guys which they keep on showing on our faces about my soul and you ever understand and know ukuthi must lento ayikho le. But if you can keep the truth from the majority uzolala udlile. Yayizwa lento le I can be a billionaire ukuthi sonke nje kuthiwa uba kwamabanga hayi not just la ubaba umama about the immediate kuthiwa yeah that family is what but they are gaslighting you. So we are at the position yokuthi especially nina sema university make up your mind guys hambe emakhaya niyocabanga kahle senibuke kahle lento. If there's no new labor coming in, this company is starving. Then the second people to follow is gonna be the truckers. You are the lifeline of this company. Uspenda 42 days away from Gako. Who step further kumzini wakho? It's time to wake up and see it for what it is. It's time for you guys to think. Nibona ukuthi lento ayikho and mangithi hambe ekhaya I'm not saying hambe ekhaya ngesikhwama driver kona leyo truck leyo noma ngabe kuthiwa ifridge hamba udiliza leso stock elokushini akekho ozokuvimba amaphoyisa awu 16 eSouth Africa akekho ozokuvimba akekho ozokuvimba vele these people owe you mos. So we might be at the position whereby we can think whether it's a tanker, it's a side curtain, it's a flat deck, it's a bakuthusa ngeeconomy ayikho kwamanje economy but economy will collapse ayikho kwamanje economy la lokushini mawubhekile wena ngoba njalo sibhizi sibala ama 30 rand hayi bafethu izolo ngigazathe kakhulu hayi kanizameni nani ayikho kwamanje. So people I'm pushing this agenda mani ngibona in the streets of Soweto ngibona ibhakhe ebhalwe Exodus just know ukuthi yimi. My Twitter handle is 30% u30% written peasant yiso elani of the flag of South Africa crying blood. That's my account. I didn't know ukuthi I had the account with Twitter because social media was off. I just remembered. And all the other guys I'm going to be engaging you and I'm also going to be answering the questions Gupi kuma what you call this thing kuma comments and I'm also going to be I'm going to drop my number so that everyone has my number. We create a group where we can chat about this thing especially the youth.
Yeah, show manje my brother.
Okay, my number is 0761347367. WhatsApp number. Ungangifoneli mina, ungangifonela ngeke ngiyibambe. Ngiyoyibheka nje ngithi wenzani pheka. Ungangifoneli. I don't want to talk to you like mouth to mouth like ngikhulume uyangithola. Not good I don't want to talk to you but I can't. Let us create a group chat. A group so we can understand isicathulanise la khona kunjani njani ngoba masingalandela ama 1k sonke sizoba nenkinga. They are happy but bona sesibadala thina hayi nizobona nani they are busy frying you with the 5G networks. They are busy poisoning amanzi
Frequency high.
Ngikubuze wena Chris sesizovala ngikubuze how old is Salt?
Ice.
Manje wali expiry date ngoba selithengwe yimi.
Expiry date ke.
That's why expiry date. It's a trap, baba. It's a trap. This thing is this is the real pyramid scheme.
Angithi nje ulifaka amanye ama chemicals. So
Yes. Luwadingelani lawo ma chemicals? Ayapi?
Salt is natural.
Salt, baba, is naturally. And the more you so in other words, I'm saying Guwe Ganda, you cannot eat enough salt. That's what I'm saying. I'm not saying you are not. You cannot. The more you eat salt, the more you are awake. Cognitively. Because you are what? Kufana umuntu wenzeni wavula data or umuntu wenzeni o connected to Wi-Fi.
Should try singalithatha yakhona sasebe umntana semncane athi ushukela.
Yes.
Na utswayo ngavela udlula nje kitchen.
Ngibona omunye athi kuma comments salt sorry ushukela did a good job blaming uswayi for ini lezinto elizozenza lezinto azozenza yabona ushukela wavela wasukela uswayi wathi wena une high blood sugar high blood pressure nani abantu balalela nabo but yo hayi alime kancane badla ushukela bagula
yazikhumbuza iSoul City bakhuluma the way kumele ungadli kudla kunotswayi ningakhona ama high blood kudla kunetswayi
Soul City
uyona into yadlala ku SABC drama Soul City
le HIV
yeah
because what was generation I think break it down generations was an agenda for what for Naspers because it was all about what publishing. What was Soul City? HIV. What was Zone 14? Soccer. So that you think you believe with if I can train hard, I can make it to the Kaizer Chiefs teen what nonsense. If I about what you call what was the Queen? Drugs. So that with sonke sicabanga ukuthi vele ama drugs.
Ana kunje mfethu. The way abafuniswa isingabelieve ngakhonti lintswembu. Akho ngisho advert kwi TV yeswayi.
Angeke because you uzovuka.
Ayike advert yeswayi.
To prove ukuthi lento is a scam. Uyazi to prove ukuthi lento is a scam. When you go to the Kalahari Desert, when you go to the Kalahari Desert, yayizwa ukuthi nguphi? Desert. Kalahari Desert. You'll find what? Baboons. Searching for ini salt. Agubhu uswayi, adla uswayi. Baboons kuphi in a desert. Amanzi ascarce but badla uswayi. But mawudla uswayi uhalela amanzi. That's because you are drinking. Phela amanzi ayiwe ukuthi so water is dead. Into dead nje enganampilo. So in other words you need to electrify it so that it is good for you. And masophuza amanzi anoswayi. Fact you can go a day even 2 ungamelanga amanzi futhi akubhlungu ndawo and noma waphuza uvela uphuza into engange nkomishi. Because you do not need lo 2 liters. Le nto le kufana ukuthi hey, awuthi ngigeze le nto lena ngiyawasha, kufana ukuthi uyawasha. You are draining all the minerals asemzimbeni.
You know right because umalumamu wayengithi ejele bebe mayifuna mayibona ukuthi kuzoshuba beka asigaqa seswayenzeni just uthanga lampi.
Because you are waking up in the electrical part of you. Your brain is electricity, your nerves are electricity, your spine is electricity. Ganda. That also means even the people who are fasting wrong. Lawa fasting nje bangadli ukudla. Idla uswayi so that lento is effective lento yenzayo. Because the whole point is what is to wake up in your consciousness. Man, the books are there. Anginama TikTok challenge, angibheki lezi zinto lezi, angibheki TV and I'm thinking angibhadali rent lana ukucabanga. The brain you get what I'm saying?
Free.
I'm free. Angibhadali moto, angibhadali impahla mina. So noma ngabe kuthiwa noma ngathiwa uyi36 mfowethu zenyanga ungenaphi? Ngoba mina ngikubala nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu uphinde wathembeka waliletha ilanga leli
uvela uphume nje kwathembeka
uNkulunkulu emhle njalo ngithi kwaze kwamnandi.
See you next time. This is Daily Hustle accompanied on Christmas. Ganda and James is on camera. Unjabulo we out.
Go and think.